Get your mind and body ready to get the most out of your study sessions. Movement is step 1 of 5 that you can use to get ready to study. This step will take you 10 minutes. Movement is such a great first step to getting our minds and bodies ready to study because it's so simple and yet so effective. It's sharpening our minds and energizing our bodies. Movement gets our energy going. Let's say you're just laying around. You know how it is. The more you lie around, the more you want to lie around. Next thing you know, you've been laying there for hours scrolling through social media. On the other hand, let's say you make yourself do a movement activity, even if just for a short period of time. You'll know right away that it worked because you will feel alive and ready to study. You'll feel more energy in your body and your mind will become sharper. If you already have go-to movement activities, you can certainly do those. If not, you could try a home body workout, a fast walk, sprints, jump rope, yoga, or you could search online for other options that get your blood flowing. Here's how movement energizes your mind and body. When you do movement activities, your lungs take in more oxygen, and that oxygen ends up in your bloodstream. Your movement activities also increase your heart rate and your blood flow. That means more oxygen is more quickly circulated throughout your body. Oxygen is the key to all the benefits of movement. Oxygen enables the breakdown of glucose into ATP. And the next step is your body transforms ATP into ADP and phosphates. And when it does this, energy is naturally released as part of that chemical process. And that released energy is then used directly by your brain and your body. Your brain is a high energy organ and it uses a lot of that released energy. It actually uses 20% of it. And it uses that energy to fuel neurocircuits, which help with your memory, problem solving, and concentration, all of which you want in top form when you sit down to study. Otherwise, you're putting in the time, but you're not getting the results. Your heart is also a high energy organ, and it uses a lot of that released energy as well. It uses that energy to expand and contract. More energy allows your heart to operate more efficiently, and what you get out of this is less fatigue. Repeat movement activities as necessary during your study sessions, maybe every hour or so. Your brain also uses the ATP energy to trigger the release of dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine improves motivation and satisfaction, serotonin, mood and memory. Together, these two chemicals can actually help you to enjoy studying and certainly to be better at it. Over the years when I've done movement activities, I noticed a strong increase in my own focus and energy. So I got interested in the ideas and I researched them to try to understand the connection. More recently, a huge amount of fascinating information about the connections has become available, and you can find it in podcasts, books, and YouTube videos. The really great thing about this new information is it's all based on a very strong scientific connection between movement, focus, and energy. And now there are a lot of popular experts out there who strongly support the relationship. And this list includes Dr. Andrew Huberman, a scientific neurologist and leader of the Huberman Lab, Tony Robbins, a peak performance coach, Dr. John Ratey, a Harvard psychiatrist and author of Spark, Dr. Wendy Suzuki, a neuroscientist and author of Good Anxiety, and James Clear, author of Atomic Habits. If you want to learn more, you can explore what these experts have to say, or you can do some follow-up research of your own. The takeaway from all this is if you want to perform at your best, make movement activities part of your regular study routine. And here's a final closing tip that could help you or someone you know. Movement activities are also known for being highly effective for helping us overcome brain fog. Thanks for watching my video. If you found that it was helpful, consider liking it and then subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated on the latest content. You could also drop a comment below because I'd love to hear thoughts and any suggestions you might have for future videos.